I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need settings access and an updated build so the accessibility tools behave predictably. First, press Windows key +I to open settings. If you prefer, click Start then the gear icon. Once in settings, click Ease of Access. That's where color filters and visual options live. Make sure you are signed into an account with admin or standard privileges. You don't need admin for color filters, but you do need a responsive settings app. Now move to color filters. You'll see a color filters section. Click it to reveal the toggle and preview. Turn off the Turn on Color Filters toggle to remove inverted colors immediately. If the shortcut was enabled, press Windows + Ctrl+C to flip it off. This is useful if settings won't open. Once done, check Active Apps and Desktop. Colors should return to normal. Make sure Night Light or third-party themes aren't active, because those can alter appearance independently. Finish by confirming Magnifier and High Contrast are disabled. Go back to Ease of Access for both settings and turn them off if necessary. If inverted colors remain, restart Windows to clear temporary display states. If a restart doesn't help, update or reinstall your graphics driver via Device Manager, because driver glitches can force color inversion. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode if colors are normal there. A third-party app or driver is causing the inversion. Remove recent display utilities or roll back drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.